and I don't know what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to go out now and have some breakfast, and then I will get changed. I am now going to get changed. So I'm dressed and my hair is done. I kept it in a simple ponytail. I was going to put it into 2 plaits, but I couldn't be bothered to, and I thought it looked quite good like that. So I'm now going to put on some sun cream. We are now having lunch. So I didn't film what happened because it wasn't interesting. I mean, maybe, but I went on the bikes again, around the reception area, and then we were halfway through watching Luke do his, what's it called, Nerf gun camp thing, and then we come back here and I'm now going to get into my swimming costume. So it's currently 5 to 8 and I'm not going to bed yet, but I didn't film dinner, or so basically we had dinner. It's basically pepperoni pizza, a Coke and some churros, and we went to the arcade and I wasted another £5. And I've got 45 tickets. We're just watching the Olympics and it's so satisfying. We watched the last bit of the men's gymnastics and that, but we are now going to play some Uno. So I am now in my pyjamas and it's currently a 9:45, and I'm gonna go to bed now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!